I'm Luke Burgess, Managing Editor of Gold World. I'm here with Greg McCoach, who's the Investment Director of Insider Alert and the Mining Speculator. Greg, could you tell us why owning physical gold is so important right now?
Yeah, I get that question a lot at the conferences I speak at, and I like to tell people that, with what's happening in our economy, you have a government that I think is out of control. And the proof of that is when they talk about these numbers that we hear, $1 trillion. What is $1 trillion? Well, the average citizen really doesn't know. It's just a number, right? Well, I try to boil this down and help them understand that with several analogies I like to use. And this is very relative to why you want to own gold. Because as our government continues to debase the dollar, gold prices have nowhere to go but higher. So again, as your hard-earned savings is frittered away by politicians and their spending habits, ownership of physical gold and silver will protect you in those times. So let's get down to it. Let's talk about $1 trillion. What is $1 trillion? In terms of seconds, let's take 1,000,000 seconds first. 1,000,000 seconds is 11.5 days. 1,000,000,000 seconds is 32 years. 1 trillion seconds is 32,000 years. So if you understand what $1 trillion is, you understand that what the politicians and administrators in New York are talking about is simply unsustainable by any definition you want to use. Another example, lining up a roll of $1 bills end to end. Let's say a spaceship was leaving planet Earth at the speed of sound. How far would this spaceship have to travel before it rolled out $1 trillion bills? It would have to travel at the speed of sound for 14 years before it would reach $1 trillion. Again, analogies like this are more concrete and can help people understand why it's so necessary to own gold.